Namaste. Hi, Anita here again. Today we'll talk about a very common topic called antioxidants. First of all, what is antioxidants? And many people are talking about taking antioxidant rich food nowadays. So, what exactly is antioxidants? Many plants have these antioxidants to protect themselves against many external forces which might affect them. When we take these antioxidants, what they do exactly in our body is they help us to get rid of free radicals. So, what are these free radicals and why are they formed in the body? Free radicals are the compounds which somehow go and damage the cells and many other organs and tissues in the body, and because of that, the body gets damaged profusely. So, what these antioxidants do is they go and tell these free radicals. Actually, they don't tell, but it so happens that these are stable atoms. They go to the free radicals and they make them stable, and they say that okay, now I am making you stable by giving you the electrons which I have. You become stable and don't go and damage the cells and other organs in the body. So when the composition of free radicals are lesser than the antioxidants, the body is able to cope up with the damages and many other external effects which happens in the body. So when you give your body very rich antioxidant food, what happens is your body becomes healthier. It is able to cope up with the foreign objects which are coming inside the body and affecting it, or so many other situations where the body has to cope up with the damage which is happening. So where do we get these antioxidants? Antioxidants, as I started off saying, that antioxidants we get it from plants and many fruits and vegetables. You know, many people would have told you eat a rainbow color of foods. You know why they say that? Because each and every color has a different kind of antioxidant in them. So when you take a tomato, you get a different kind of antioxidant. When you take an orange, you get a different kind of antioxidant. When you take an apple, you get a different kind of antioxidant. So usually you can see people saying that use a variety or colorful fruits and vegetables in your plate, so that they go and do their work which they are supposed to do. Actually, as I already told you, it is the work of the antioxidants mainly which help you to cope up with many damages which are happening in the body. Let us continue with the antioxidants again. I will be telling about a very powerful antioxidant called coenzyme Q10, which is also called as benzoquinone. What coenzyme Q10 does is, as I have already told you about the antioxidants effect in the body, it goes and removes the free radicals, and it will lessen the damages which are happening in the body because of the free radicals, isn't it? So coenzyme Q10 comes into picture in the place where exactly the energy is formed and the waste materials which are formed. To remove the waste materials, the coenzyme Q10 plays a very important role. So when I talk about energy, we always refer to the place as mitochondria. So mitochondria is a place in the cell where the food, whatever we eat, gets converted into energy. And in the process of energy formation in the mitochondria, a lot of wastes are formed in the cells. And coenzyme Q10 will remove the it will remove the waste which are formed during the process of energy formation, and it will keep the cells intact, and cells are able to do their work in a better way when the waste materials are no longer there. What will happen if the cells retain these waste materials or free radicals in the body? You have seen that many people nowadays complain of fatigue and lethargy, sleeping even in the morning. They don't have any energy to do their work. That is mainly because the mitochondria, which is supposed to form the energy, is not forming properly. So when the waste materials are removed from the body, you see that the lethargic feeling or the fatigue feeling in the people are no longer there. And the insulin resistance in the body is reduced. So when the insulin resistance in the body is reduced, then cells are able to absorb the nutrients which are coming into the body better way, so that all the hormonal functions or cell functions of the body is regenerated or done in a right way. Okay, so coenzyme Q10 is a very powerful antioxidant, unlike other antioxidants. And you might be asking, where do you get coenzyme Q10? Usually, you can get coenzyme Q10 in berries and some of the nuts. So, usually, we say, the antioxidants in berries are much richer than oranges or in tomatoes. So, if you are looking for coenzyme Q10 as a supplement to make you more healthier, so berries are the right choices. Thank you so much.